Hey guys, it's Vince with Creative Rods. Been the first week back here since been to Goodguy's 2 shows 2 weeks in a row. So first full week back in the shop. We're going to do a shop walk just to see what we've got done this past week and some updates. We got the Hot Rod Power Tour coming up in about a month. So the 59 Apache Indian Outlaw has to be done running, driving, and ready to go 1,500 miles, something like that. So we got some work to do after hours and got to catch up on some projects. We got about 6 cars ready, just that close to being able to go home, and we got some new cars coming in. So we're going to take a shop walk, see what's going on, see what all the guys have been doing this week. Come on, check it out.
So this week I've been working on the Ford F100. We got the clearance, the inner fender on this side for the ABS and this side for the frame rail. We have both the front mounts for the radiator core support put on the frame. We got the front and rear cab mounts put on. Moved the radiator and condenser and power steering cooler back so that it'll clear the front of the cab right there. And yeah, just getting everything to fit.
So that's out the Crown Vic, huh?
Yep, that's the Crown Vic frame, front to rear.
Cool. Carry on.
All right.
What's up, guys? Here at Creative Rods on this beautiful Friday. Going to do a little overview of what we've been working on this week. Getting all the jam work and stuff done on the bus. Having to go and kind of fine-tune everything. Get all that stuff ready for 2K. We got the roof is in 2K. It's been body work. Worked on our rails, trying to straighten them out some. Because they were kind of bent up a little bit. I guess they had a bike rack or something like that up there. So we worked on that, got that straightened out. Back here around the back, we worked in the hatch area again. Straightened out some of this. That was all bent. Real prone area for when you go throw in stuff in the back. We'll dent that up, get it all bent out of shape. So we got all that worked on the bus. Doing some final touches on the doors. Jeremy's blocking out the slider right now. We've got the front 2 doors ready. We're gonna do some more blocking on those.
Getting close.
Huh?
Getting close to 2K.
Getting very close. Getting very close. Takes a little time when you start going in there having to work about the details and getting all that stuff straight. We all know that's what makes it in the end. And then on the 36, old Nate Dog's been working on. Old Nate Doggy Dog. Got the down here the lower rocker was out of shape, so we metal worked that. Got that wiped, got it back in shape. Before, this was actually flush with the door, and it's supposed to be crowned out. So we had to go back in there, get that metal straightened so we can get it to the point where we can start filling it. And we got all our gaps straight. Straightened out all the door gaps, got that looking good. So that's some good progress there.
Smooth, boy.
Yeah, yeah. She's getting a lot closer. We'll get all that stuff fined in and
So on these street rods, the body work's a little more meticulous because everything has to be door jams. Everything has to be perfect, doesn't it?
yeah, it's got to be right, because these things get critiqued a lot once they get built out there too. There's definitely a group of people that's solely all about these things, so it's key to make sure she's right. And they're round, you know, there ain't a whole lot of flat area on these things, so that's another challenge you got to work with to make sure you've got it flat and even.
Plus this one was caved in right here.
Yeah. This one was
My wreck.
It was rough. We've had to go in and pull and stretch. I mean, to be able to get a door gap like that, and I mean all of our edges for the most parts all metal, and to be able to get this thing stretched out to get that kind of fit, pretty good, pretty good. What else?
That's about it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Today I am working on the Apache seat, doing some foam work.
This week.
And we're gonna cover it in leather.
What kind of leather?
Cow leather.
Not cow.
That leather.
Hey.
So this is the start, because it's got to be ready for what?
The Hot Rod Power Tour,
Yes.
2020. 19.
Yeah. You ain't got a year, you got a week.
Hey guys, back at Creative Rods. This week we have painted a 70 O's Cutlass hood. Blue, white stripes.
Yeah.
Oh, and the trunk lid.
And the trunk lid. Let's see here.
Check us
Oh,
out.
yeah.
Check the trunk lid out. Got a little custom stripe, pearl white. You can't really see it on camera. Supposed to match the seats. Close.
Not normally on an Oldsmobile, but the owner wanted it, right?
That's right.
And he's
Looks
got
good.
71 hood on there, which is not supposed to be on.
It suits it.
It suits
It
it.
looks good. Looks better than the factory.
Got to do what the owner wants, right?
That's right. Always what the owner wants. Right or wrong.
All right, let's see what else we got in here.
Got the Apache.
Oh, yeah. She looking good.
Thank you. I'm looking good.
Are you a she?
Well, right this minute.
And that's what Nate Dawes working on. Put the seat in here. This truck's got to be ready. 1st of June, Hot Rod Power Tour. 66 C10. We got a new 55 Tri-5 Chevy in. Got to put all new custom interior in there. It's got a big 427 supercharger. Nice looking car. Got some little odds and ends. Little paint work we got to do to it. Just to kind of finish it out for the customer. And then of course the GTO. It's been on tour with us for the last 2 months, starting in Myrtle Beach, and then Nashville and Raleigh. Good guys. So she's gonna go back. Customers picking her up next week. So that's what we got going on in the finishing shop. We'll check with Tyler here in a minute to see what he's been doing on the 71 Nova.
I spent most of this week working on the 71 Nova we got in. It got full ride tech all the way around, and Willwood disc brakes installed, and the Willwood universal parking brake system that they sell. Upper and lower strong arms, sway bar on the front, and then the coilovers and air bar on the back. Made it into a 4-link setup.
You rebuilt the rear end too,
We
right?
did. We rebuilt the entire rear end. Just waiting on the transmission to show up now.
Got to drop the motor in it, right?
Drop the motor, run some fuel lines. She'll be ready.
There's the motor.